I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by creating the installer. This is the fastest route. Plug an 8 GB or larger USB into a working machine, then download the Windows 10 ISO. Open Rufus and pick the USB, select the ISO, and choose GPT for UEFI or MBR for legacy BIOS depending on your new PC. Click Start and wait for the write to finish. Once done, safely eject the USB and move to the new computer to begin installation. You'll now boot the new computer from the USB. That launches the installer. Power on and press the BIOS key, often F2, F12, Del, to set USB as the primary boot device, then save and restart. In the Windows setup, choose Language and Regional Settings, then click Install Now. Enter your product key or skip if you'll activate later. Pick Custom Install to create or format partitions, select the target drive, and let Windows copy files, and you're in the home stretch. Complete the out-of-box experience by creating a user account, choosing privacy options, and connecting to the internet so updates can begin. Make sure to install chipset, graphics, and network drivers from the PC Maker site, then run Windows Update to grab remaining fixes. If something goes wrong, like the installer failing to detect the drive, make sure the USB was written correctly and that BIOS boot mode, UEFI versus legacy, matches the USB format. Reformat and recreate installer if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.